Assalamu alaikum everyone, today we are learning new technique, so let's get started. First step is to draw what you. Second step is to trace the drawing so it would be easy. So today we are learning hatching in these 4 ways. By using strained ANS cross hatching, most of the area of flower will be covered. We'll use red color for this. Also to give lights and darks, considering the direction of light is important. I am considering the direction of light from upward direction. To give darker effects, draw the lines close to each other. And to give lighter effect, draw the lines far from each other. I've used the black color to enhance the darker parts and white color to give some lighter effect in black color. Now we'll do the stem and leaves. Using the shades of green color we'll do straight and cross hatch, and brown and black color will be used to do some shading. As leaves show so many shades when exposed to light, so we will use brown and black in leaves too. So this is the hatching technique. Thanks for watching.